Hi everybody, today, we will explore the fascinating process behind the door of one of the largest metal pot manufacturing factories in the world. Are you curious about how those shiny metal pots in your kitchen are made? If you're fascinated by industrial production and want to know more about it, this video is for you. Be the first to discover, subscribe to We All Makers today. History of metal pots. Metal pots have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. Early civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used metal vessels for cooking and storage. These ancient pots were made from metals like bronze and iron. Over the centuries, metalworking techniques evolved, leading to the production of more durable and efficient pots. In the 18th century, cast iron pots became popular due to their excellent heat retention properties. By the 20th century, stainless steel pots gained popularity for their durability, ease of cleaning, and resistance to rust. Production process. How is a modern metal pot made? Material preparation. The process begins with the selection of raw materials. High-quality stainless steel sheets are chosen for their durability and resistance to corrosion. These sheets arrive at the factory in large rolls. The first step is to unroll these sheets and cut them into manageable sizes, typically using a powerful industrial guillotine or laser cutter. Each cut piece will form the base material for a single pot, forming the pot. The cut sheets are fed into a hydraulic press, which shapes the metal into a basic pot form through a process called deep drawing. This involves pressing the metal into a mold, creating the pot's body. The deep drawing process may require several stages, with the pot being pressed into progressively deeper molds to achieve the final shape. After forming, the pot undergoes trimming to remove any excess metal and ensure smooth edges. Annealing. Once the pots have been shaped, they go through an annealing process. Annealing involves heating the metal to a specific temperature and then slowly cooling it. This process relieves internal stresses in the metal, making it easier to work with and increasing its durability. Shaping and polishing. The roughly formed pots are then transferred to a series of rollers and presses that further refine their shape, ensuring uniform thickness and smooth surfaces. Any imperfections or rough edges are smoothed out during this stage. The pots are polished to achieve a shiny, mirror-like finish. This polishing process involves multiple steps, starting with coarse abrasives and gradually moving to finer ones. The final polish is done using a special compound to give the pots their distinctive gleam. Adding handles and accessories. Handles are typically made from the same stainless steel or a heat-resistant material. They are welded onto the pot using high-precision welding machines. The welding process must be carefully controlled to ensure that the handles are securely attached and can withstand high temperatures. Some pots also have additional features like glass lids or non-stick coatings, which are added at this stage. Quality control and inspection. Each pot undergoes a thorough quality control inspection. This includes checking for any defects in the metal, ensuring the handles are securely attached, and verifying that the pot meets all size and thickness specifications. Advanced techniques such as ultrasonic testing may be used to detect any hidden flaws. Any pots that do not meet the standards are recycled. Additionally, the pots are tested for functionality, ensuring they conduct heat evenly and maintain their structural integrity under various conditions. Packaging. Once the pots pass the quality control checks, they are cleaned and packaged. They are wrapped in protective film to prevent scratches and packed into boxes with printed product information and care instructions. The packaging process is automated, with machines precisely wrapping and sealing each pot to ensure it remains in pristine condition during transport. Environmental considerations. The metal pot factory prioritizes environmental sustainability. Excess metal is recycled, and energy-efficient machines are used throughout the production process. The factory also employs a closed-loop water system to reduce water consumption. Packaging materials are recyclable or biodegradable, reducing the environmental impact. Additionally, the factory continuously monitors and optimizes its processes to minimize energy use and waste. Thanks for exploring the metal pot production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we've showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to We All Makers for more interesting journeys into the world of manufacturing and industry.